Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 60 6-Day Challenge 9.0, and today is day 57. So today we're going to continue our training on the KW Command app, the power of command in the palm of your hand at the bottom right of this home screen. So if you missed yesterday's video, go back and watch that. I show you how to download the KW Command app and then log in. We went through this home screen yesterday. But we left off at clicking on the plus sign in the bottom right. I'm going to show you today how you can add contacts, add a task, or add an opportunity all while you're on the go. So I clicked on that plus sign. The first thing we're going to do is click on add contact. And this is where I can go through and actually add to my database somebody I meet while I'm out and about very quickly and easily. So for example, if you're not already using the open house sign-in form, which I highly recommend that you do, you can learn more about that in a previous video. I think we talked about that. What day was that? Maybe day 52. Oops, sorry. There we go, day 52. But let's say you're not using that. You do meet somebody at an open house, maybe you meet someone at a networking event, whatever it may be. You just want to quickly add them to your database. You can pull up your command app. You can go in and put in the contact name. So let's say this is fictional character Bart Simpson, not a real person. This is not a real phone number, right? And we would put in a fake address, but you get the drill, right? You would put in all this contact information at gfail just to make sure it's not legit. You could put in their address. You can scroll down and enter in a separate mailing address if you wanted, or leave it as same as mailing address. You could choose a lead source. Because this is a team account, you can see that I even have some assignee and lead routing options. I can even add or remove a neighborhood. Let's see what that does. If we actually put in the neighborhood, this is some testing together. So we're going to put in an address. And let's see, this is actually my address, Fawn Lake, and did it assign the neighborhood? Add or remove neighborhood. Doesn't have any neighborhoods yet. So we could drop I clicked on that arrow in the top right hand corner for location services. It's asking me, hey, do you want to allow location services? I'm going to say allow while using the app. And then here you go. It actually zoomed in on my current location and gave me several neighborhoods that I could add based upon my location. So there's that option too, especially if you're doing an open house and you want to add someone to a neighborhood. This is also a way. Or if you're out walking in your own neighborhood and you want to add someone, you could do that route as well. We've got some additional contact information that we could add in, legal names, some additional email, phone number, and addresses. You can see you can put in their social media. I mean, guys, the amount of content that you can add to this contact, I mean, it's almost exactly the same as the information that you could add inside of the desktop app, which is going to make it really simple and easy. Once you're done, you can click on save, and it's going to say, hey, that phone number is already in use because we have used that fake phone number. So let me change that real quick to another fake phone number. Let's do the 832 area code and see if that will get us there. So we're going to delete that out and save that contact. There we go. All right, and so there you go. We've got a brand new contact. Bart Simpson is inside of our database right now. Inside the contact, you can click on the timeline. Oh, you can see this. So the neighborhood was subscribed. That's interesting. I had to save the contact, but once I saved the contact, the neighborhood was subscribed. But now watch, I can go into opportunities, and I'm going to show you how to create an opportunity in just a second. But I can actually go in and add Bart to a smart plan. So I could once again click on the plus sign in the bottom right. Here's all of our smart plans that we talked about back during smart plan training, and I could actually add them to the monthly neighborhood nurture smart plan, right? I'm going to click that TCPA disclaimer and click on confirm, and boom, just like that, now Bart is on the monthly neighborhood nurture smart plan. Let's go back and find him just to prove that. So we'll go into contacts at the bottom, we'll click on Bart, we'll go to smart plans. Looks like it may take a second to actually get that added, but that's pretty cool. Actually, I think I know what happened. We have a fake email in there, so that may be the reason why. Yep, there you go. So I clicked on timeline, and you could say it ended in error because that was not a legit email. But if you had a legit email, you could see how quickly and easily you could add that contact to a smart plan boom, right? We've been talking about open houses. You could add them to the open house smart plan. Monthly neighborhood nurture, right? Any of your long-term nurture, mid-term nurture, several additional smart plans available in that library that you could easily add contacts to from within the app. So let's go back to the home screen. I'm going to click on home in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to click on that plus sign one more time, and we can see that we can add a task from the command app. So that's pretty straightforward as well. What's the task name? What's the type and description? Is there any hyperlink? What's the priority? Hey, is there a due date? And does it repeat? So you could see if you just wanted to remind yourself to do something after thinking about it while you were in the car or whatever it may be, you could quickly add that task to your task list. And we'll click on the plus sign one more time and see we can even build out an opportunity. Literally from the command app in the palm of your hand, what type of opportunity is it? It's a listing opportunity. Who's the contact? Let's choose Bart, right? Is there a co-seller? No. Opportunity name is already in. I can choose the phase. Let's say it's cultivate. They're 90 more days out. There's the address already entered for me based upon the contact's address. Description, financial information. Guys, we can even add the key dates from the app. How cool is that? Because this is a team account, we could even change the ownership as a rainmaker. But this is pretty cool. And by the way, I'm going to click on save because we just added this new, it's going to ask me for that. Commission rates are always negotiable. There is no set commission rate. We know that, but I'm just going to put in one. And now I've got that opportunity created. Let's say you have opportunities already in your database, but you were watching the video on key dates and realizing you don't have a lot of key dates entered for your opportunities. Guys, you could click on the three lines in the bottom right-hand corner, our little hamburger menu. You could click then on opportunities. You're going to see your opportunity pipeline, and this was a new listing opportunity we just created in the cultivate phase. So if I click on cultivate, there you can see all of my custom stages, and there's Bart, right? So I could click on that opportunity and then easily come in and see all of the different information that's available. And I could click on the three dots and choose to edit, and then scroll down inside of this opportunity, and I could go back to those key dates. Hey, it looks like we just went under contract. So now I can put in the agreement 1 date, right? That's when we went under a contract. Oh, I'm sorry, this is listing. There we go, down to the bottom, contract date, right? I could add that in. I could put in the home inspection date if I know when appraisal is going to happen. If I know when the estimated close date is going to happen, I could put that information in. Guys, you can do all of this editing all straight from your phone. So that's a quick run through to guys today. We've got one more video, maybe two, on the command app, some additional things I'm going to show you. But today, the simple and easy way to add a contact, add an opportunity, add a task, make edits to key dates on your opportunities, and view that opportunity pipeline all from within the command app in the palm of your hand. As always, guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'll look forward to speaking with you again real soon.